Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at Momo, M-O-M-O, on the daily, weekly, monthly time frames. We use technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. So just looking at the daily chart, it was on a nice trend, let me tell you, going up, 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 up. But the one thing that I'm looking at, again, with a lot of these, we go from 2017 from 17 bucks, just to say, we go all the way to 45.84 or 85, 45.95 actually. I thought for sure we'd go to the 50 even number. Still can't rule it out in markets like this. This could definitely turn around, buy the dip mentality, and it moves straight up. We had some pretty good volume on this though, so we'll have to see what happens. When you get a reversal from a pivot high and some follow through, and we close below these lows, it's telling me possible lower prices. How much lower? 37.22 at the 50 MA, it's 618. You have this low pivot here at the 750, and the pivot here from this candle. You have a couple gaps, and then of course the pivot low here at 32.31. Ultimately, if this follows through or sets up in a bearish manner, right now there's no pattern, guys. A little bit bullish here above the MAs, but right now, nice little 3-day reversal here. Do people get interested and buy the dip, or do we continue lower? I think if this thing continues down, we're testing this low here, right around 32.37, and ultimately we're going to get to the 200 MA here, right around 26.33 or so. You do have a gap fill, and you have a pivot down here, so great area support, as well as the gap window right in this area too. It looks like we have a trend line too, going from that pivot high, this pivot high. Once it broke out of there, boys and girls, it took off pretty good. As long as it stayed above the 20, it was pretty strong. Again, we're below the 20. Let's see if we just pop right back up tomorrow. Waiting for pattern on the daily chart. But right now, nice 3-day reversal on the charts. With some volume too, so I think they might have had earnings or something, but I'm not totally sure on that. Again, weekly chart, we talk about stretch chart high flyers. Look at this thing just grinding for weeks and weeks and weeks. It gets to a certain point, people take profits, boom, straight down. On a weekly close, let's see where this thing gets to. Again, big area around 32 bucks right here, 20 MA. Ultimately though, here's these two lines. You have support here from the last, trying to break out, takes the path of least resistance, builds up some steam, consolidates, then starts to break up. But getting stretched from the 20, like I talked about with the AAOI trade, a lot of them, guys, right now, high flyers. Once this thing gets extended from the 20 MA, it's got to come back down. You still have the trend line in here too, so you have great support in this area. But that thing cracks, we're going to go right down into the $25 area, in my opinion, of course. Monthly chart though. Monthly chart, we might have a huge topping tail here, guys. If that's the case, if we come down in the next couple days and we close down in here, we'll have a topping tail on the monthly chart. What we're looking for, if you're not short on Momo, you're looking for a nice retrace. We get back up to the $50 area, you got to short this thing. Even starting at 45.85 here. Again, guys, if you're in this thing from 9 bucks or down in here, in the beginning of 2016, take some damn profits. That's all I'm saying in these videos, especially on the high flyers. Ultimately, on the monthly, if this is a bullshit move here, guys, we're going right down to 20 bucks or wherever the 20 MA is. It will curl up. We got volume in the last couple months, but my gosh, look at this thing, guys. I think we talked about 50 bucks on this thing in our live sessions, but we get this topping tail, guys. We always look for a retrace, and then we short into it, and we'll see from there. So, again, if you are long, tighten the stops. Don't make a good trade buying from 16 or 17 up to here, a bad trade, and it comes right back down. You're like, I'll just take the 3 bucks, good enough. For me, it would have been done right past 40, 42, 43. I would have cut it and been done. Let it pull back, buy back again if you like this company. I have no idea what it is. I'm just looking at the charts. So you're into the 618 down here on the monthly. Let's see if we come back to the 750. Ultimately, I still think we'll get here at the 32 bucks, especially if we have the topping tail. On the monthly chart, guys, it might take a couple more months. If we retrace, it could take a month, 2 months, and then the next wave down. But if the markets do sell like we did when we had the 400-point down day, this will go lower. Tall task with the SPY 49 million on the day going into the holiday week. I don't think it's happening anytime soon, but monthly chart closes down here. That's a little bit of a topping tail. Wait for the retrace. And short, if you're long, it starts getting up here, just tighten the stop, trail it. You could get to 50-51 on some momentum or maybe some news, but right now this thing's a little overdone, needs a little bit of a break, and then possibly you could buy the dip and go from there. If the markets sell, let this thing go lower, then start inching in to your full size position, and then take it, hold it, or whatever you want to do long term. Again, MOMO, a little bit stretch. I think it has a little more downside in it. If we get the retrace, I'll short. If you're long, just please tighten the stop, especially if we get through there. So just know that it could go higher, guys. That's the type of markets it is right now, overshooting a lot of stuff. Let's go into take two real quick. We did take a short on this one again. We're short in a swing trade and in a short-term trade, but this is what can happen, just like the Momo, and this is why I'm showing you. See how we have the little topping tail here, but they retraced it up. They want to get it maybe to 80 bucks. Let's see if we get a little higher and then turn around and come in. Again, it has a little momentum, a little bit stretched on take two. Let's go to the week or the monthly. This is why I'm short. Look at this thing. You got to short this one. I mean, 45 bucks. That's where it is. These are starting to get a little bit extended. The spacing's still nice, though, so you got to keep an eye on that. But take two, that's why we're short extended chart. That's why we're short a bunch of these stocks, guys. They're all extended. You just have to go slow and steady. All right, guys, if you like my videos, go to StockBookie.com, sign up for the free membership for more videos like this, for email alerts to our live sessions, and some trade ideas as well. Go there, sign up. It's free, guys. All right, that's it for tonight. Thanks again for watching my videos. God bless. See you on the charts.